What's up, folks? How's it going? This is Abhijit here, and welcome to Devops Challenge Run. So let's start with today's interview question. Okay. So today's interview question is: what happens if a Kubernetes master node crashes? So if Kubernetes master node crashes, cluster loses control functionality, but not necessarily running workloads because control plane components like API server, scheduler, controller manager resides on the master node. API server, scheduler, and control manager they reside on the master node. So API server won't work. No kubectl command will work. Cluster is unreachable. Scheduler also won't work. No new pods will get scheduled. Control manager won't work. Replica set jobs failover won't work. On these controllers, replica set jobs failover won't work. Running pods will work. Continue running if the worker nodes are healthy. So if worker nodes are healthy, then already running pods will be working fine. So your application may keep working, but you can't scale, deploy new apps, or respond to node failure unless the master is backup. Application will keep working, keep working, but you can't scale, deploy new apps, or respond to node failure unless the master is backup. So in real world, what is the best practice? You should have multiple control plane nodes for a high availability. Use external electricity with backups. Otherwise, use cloud manage Kubernetes like 𝐤𝐞𝐫 case. Use cloud manage Kubernetes if you want control plane high availability handled for you. So in this case, you don't need to have the backup and other plans ready. Cloud, AWS cloud or GKS, Google Cloud, they will do it for you. They will manage that control plane nodes. So that is where we go for cloud manage Kubernetes. So now let's have a quiz. Today's quiz. What happens when Kubernetes masternode crashes? Select all that apply. kubectl stop working. Yes, because it connects with the API server. New pods can be scheduled. Yes. Replica set failover stops. Yes. Running pods gets deleted. No. Running pods doesn't get deleted. Then running pods continues. Yes. New apps can still be deployed. No. New apps can still be deployed. So A, B, C, E, D, and F incorrect. A. Kubernetes stop working. True. Because kubectl will communicate directly with the API server on master node. So master node is down. kubectl cannot reach API server. B. New pods can't be scheduled. True, because scheduler component of the control plane running on the master node is responsible for placing new node on the worker node. If the master is down, scheduler cannot function, and also new pods cannot be scheduled. C. Replica set failover stops. True, because controller like replica set controller and other custom controllers that manage the desired state of your application run on the master node. If master node is down, this controller cannot observe the cluster state or take action to create new pods or handle failover. The running pods get deleted. False. Kubelet, which runs on each worker node, is responsible for managing the pods running on the node. Once pods are scheduled and running on worker node, they will continue to run even if the master node goes down. Running pods continue. True, as mentioned above, kubelet on each worker node independently manage the running pods on the node. Therefore, existing pods will continue to run. If new pods can still be deployed, false. Deploying new application involves creating new deployment replicas, etc., which requires interaction with the API server and the scheduler on the master node. If master node is down, then these operations cannot be performed. So, hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like and share, and also follow my LinkedIn page. I post quiz every day. You can participate in the quiz and also subscribe, follow my WhatsApp channel on Devops Challenge. And thank you for watching this video, and see you again on the next.